What?
What?
I'm as confused as you. Oh well, darn it.
Hey, come back here. I'm sorry, but I bullied you? Question mark?
Oh, I love Genji.
Holy shit.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful. There we go, baby. It's here. My golden.
My golden Brigitte. Omega.
What the? I don't know what happened. I accidentally killed someone.
Okay, I stopped shooting.
Oh my! I'm not sure.
I'm fine, fuck off.
No more stuns, thank you.
I'm sorry, Ace, but where the f you come from?
I guess you're right.
No.
What?
See you.
No! You
Anybody else notice Evan only has one kill?
Oh my god, you went flying!
My body's in the other dimension, boys.
God, you yoinked both of those kills.
Storm arrows.
Where?
Power and balance.
What did? Yeah, I tagged them both up. I got 2 assists and I'm not even 2 minutes in it. I'm so done, are you joking? That both missed.
Are you?
Oh. Please, no, you're 1 HP.
Okay, I'm back. I just fell off my chair and brought my whole computer down. So that's
What did I get stuck on? They have a Mei? They have a Mei. Oh god, they have.
both their support. That's both their support.
Fire dead. Or sorry. Fire one. Fire one. Get her. She's flashed. She's 1
I
HP.
don't have bombs. I don't have bombs. No!
Come on. Did anyone see that Devo? Oh my god. She floored it into the ground, dude.
Dumb, so I can double him.
You know what? I'm not. I'll give Ana a try.
Wait,
but
what
if
the?
it's not good, I'm gonna switch to Moira.
Hang on, I'm confused, guys. Why is it when I throw my shurikens in a fan, they line up like an H? What?
Oh,
How? What? The?
Wait,
Huh?
wait. Let me see this.
What?
Look, you know how I throw my shuriken like a fan, right?
Just throw it.
Why are they H's? That's not how that works. Stick, can we get first stick? I got pinned while deflecting Deadeye. It's still kind of there. Yeah, it's still there. It's still there. Ace.
Go down.
I hear heals. I slept Mercy.
Nice sleep, Eric. That was beautiful.
Oh ho ho. Ninja time.
Mike spam is a fine art. Thank you.
Bro.
All right. Let's hope the enemy team or our team is like cooperative.
Okay, guys, let's run 6 DPS and we'll crush them easy.
Don't play Brig until we need unless we need. Come on, Mr. Ronin. I know you wanna. If they don't pick Brig, then we gotta get the Brig. Current compy plays Mercy Lucio. Yes, there we go. Awesome. Evan is just using the washroom right now. He'll be back, I hope. Oi, oi, oi. Group up, boys. Watch this new emote I got. It's so good with Ace. Come on, dude.
Really, Matt?
Wait, what? My thing was invisible.
Evan gets back. Really mad. I took his fucking Hanzo.
Well, you better get more than fucking 25 kills.
Alright.
Evan, I play tank every single
If you don't have gold E1 for damage, I'm reporting you for throwing.
Yeah, exactly.
I double tapped the Widow in the head. Awesome. Matt, you gotta be careful, man. You gotta be really careful.
We're pushing hard.
No, the Rhine did. I don't know what. Roadhog really low. Nice. Moira low.
You know what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah, Shinoa, the one with the
Noah, yeah, that one.
Noah.
The monk person.
Thanks, Mika. You let me live.
You're welcome. I'm not trying. I'm actually trying. I didn't let you live. I'm just really bad.
Oh, I know. I was making a joke.
Charge. Oh, okay, that did not work at all. What the? Wait, I hear a Reinhardt up there.
No, never mind. Bones is the
Nope,
pink
there's no
hair
Reinhardt
guy.
up there. No, nothing up there.
He's
Bones?
a lamppost.
Bones is the lamppost. Yes.
As
I
Roadhog?
just
They don't
walk
know
into
yet.
a lamppost.
What on earth?
How am I supposed to kill you, Genji?
Go behind you, go behind you. The stairs behind you.
Boy.
Oh, no.
Aha!
Hi, a lamppost.
Ridiculous.
Watch yourself, the lamppost. Don't walk into him. I made that mistake once. I really
don't like this
ugly
Roadhog.
him.
Whoa, man. That's just rude.
That's the line. That's the line, dude.
I ran
Bones!
into a lamppost.
Bones!
Yeah, if you've ever watched that show, and then Momo's spectating. It's Momo.
Oh, for the love of God. I want you die. You know what? I'm gonna go for it.
You can never kill a legend.
Says.
Give me the
Momo's per Ryan.
lamppost.
Ooh.
Up. Snow's back.
They're going for it. He saved me at the last moment.
Oh, Toaster Crew and Momo are waiting. Rip them.
Well, I'm gonna leave anyway, so someone can take my spot.
Goodbye, Bones.
Yeah, this is fun, but I
Bye.
gotta get going. Hola and goodbye.